The video you're about to watch is a preview of my online courses on fashion designing. If you want to find out more about it, click the link below. Here we go. Online marketing, e-commerce, social media. What do all of these have in common? They all have to do with branding and promoting and sharing your ideas, your fashion designs with the world. Look, having a beautiful fashion collection, your designs that you worked so hard for, just sitting in a closet somewhere. What good is that, really, right? I'm going to show you how you can use certain channels and valuable information to get your work out there. A framework that will empower you to design your brand. Hello everyone, my name is Nino and I'm your instructor. Welcome to Fashion Marketing, how to build your brand and sell it. I was an instructor and the head of the curriculum development of the fashion design program at FIDM in Los Angeles. And I've seen people make mistakes over and over again. I'm going to show you how to avoid these mistakes and be successful. Now, we all hear this word a lot these days, branding. Branding. What is branding? Let me give you my definition of branding and why it's so important. Branding is that special part of you, and everyone has a special gift, a special, creative, unique aspect that when expressed, it becomes a natural and joyous part of your self-expression. In this course, I'm going to take you on a journey where you will discover not only how you're going to communicate your brand, but who are you as a brand. Look, remember this. You, yes, you are a brand. Becoming aware of things like your vision and purpose and motivation, which are fundamental principles that will always drive your creativity and the marketing of that creativity. That's the beginning of the journey. Now, whether you are a one-person operation or you have a startup company or you want to start one, in this course, you will learn effective, practical structures that you can use and apply to your work. Things like brand cohesiveness and consistency, and marketing versus branding. What is the difference? And we'll talk about marketing strategy, like your advertising campaign. And we'll talk about social media and how companies like Revolve, for example, how they built this multi-billion-dollar empire. I'm going to show you how. We'll talk about print campaigns, catalogs and lookbooks and billboards. We'll talk about websites and online marketing and fashion shows and email marketing and brand equity, the ultimate powerhouse. This is a journey of self-awareness and self-expression and success. So let's go on a journey. I will see you in class. So if you want to find out more about it, click the link below.